RDX English Learning. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you wake up with an alarm?
Yes, I set an alarm on my phone.
Are you a morning person?
Not really, but I try my best.
What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do light stretching.
Do you check your phone after waking up?
Yes, I check messages briefly.
What do you wear in the morning?
I usually change into fresh clothes.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I feel fresh after a shower.
How long does it take you to get ready?
About 30 minutes.
Do you help others in the morning?
Yes, I help prepare breakfast.
Who makes breakfast at home?
We take turns making breakfast.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
I usually drink coffee.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Eggs, toast, and fruit.
Do you watch TV in the morning?
No, I prefer a quiet morning.
Do you plan your day in the morning?
Yes, I check my schedule.
Are mornings busy at your home?
Yes, everyone gets ready for work or school.
Do you feel rushed in the morning?
Sometimes, especially on weekdays.
What time do you leave home?
Around 8 a.m.
How do you feel after getting ready?
I feel fresh and prepared for the day.
What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch around 1 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at home?
Yes, most days I eat at home.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Rice, vegetables, and chicken.
Who prepares lunch at home?
We prepare it together.
Do you eat lunch alone or with family?
I eat with my family.
Do you watch TV during lunch?
Sometimes, but not always.
Do you prefer a light or heavy lunch?
I prefer a light lunch.
Do you drink anything with lunch?
Yes, I drink water or juice.
Do you rest after lunch?
Yes, I take a short rest.
How long do you rest in the afternoon?
About 20 to 30 minutes.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
Sometimes if I'm very tired.
What do you do during rest time?
I relax or listen to music.
Do you use your phone during rest time?
Yes, I check messages.
Do you go back to work after resting?
Yes, I continue my work.
Do children rest in the afternoon?
Yes, they usually nap.
Is lunchtime important to you?
Yes, it helps me recharge.
Do you ever skip lunch?
No, I try not to.
Do you feel sleepy after lunch?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have snacks in the afternoon?
Yes, fruits or nuts.
How do you feel after resting?
I feel refreshed and active.
What time do you usually get home in the evening?
I usually get home around 6 p.m.
What do you do first after coming home?
I wash my hands and change clothes.
Do you take some time to relax?
Yes, I rest for a while.
How do you usually relax in the evening?
I listen to music or watch TV.
Do you spend time with your family in the evening?
Yes, evenings are family time.
What activities do you do together?
We talk, play games, or watch shows.
Do you help children with homework?
Yes, I help them every evening.
Do you have evening snacks?
Yes, we usually have tea and snacks.
What kind of snacks do you prefer?
Light snacks like biscuits or fruit.
Do you go for a walk in the evening?
Yes, sometimes we go for a walk.
Do you check your phone in the evening?
Yes, but not too much.
Do you talk about the day with your family?
Yes, we share our experiences.
Do you watch the news in the evening?
Yes, I watch the evening news.
Is the evening a busy time at home?
Not really, it's more relaxed.
Do you feel tired in the evening?
Yes, a little after work.
What helps you feel relaxed?
Spending time with family.
Do children play in the evening?
Yes, they play or study.
Do you prepare for the next day in the evening?
Yes, I plan a little.
What time do you have dinner?
Around 8 p.m.
How do you feel in the evening?
Calm and comfortable.
What time do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner around 8:30 p.m.
Who prepares dinner at home?
My family members help together.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
Rice, vegetables, and soup.
Do you eat dinner together as a family?
Yes, we eat together.
Do you watch TV during dinner?
No, we prefer talking.
Do you clean the table after dinner?
Yes, we clean together.
What do you do after dinner?
I take a short walk.
Do you drink anything after dinner?
Sometimes I drink warm water.
Do children study after dinner?
Yes, they revise lessons.
Do you prepare for the next day at night?
Yes, I arrange clothes and plans.
Do you check your phone before bed?
Yes, briefly.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, I read a book.
Do you set an alarm for the next day?
Yes, every night.
Do you brush your teeth before bed?
Yes, it's a routine.
Do you turn off lights before sleeping?
Yes, I make sure everything is off.
Do you feel tired at night?
Yes, after a long day.
Do you say goodnight to your family?
Yes, every night.
Do you fall asleep quickly?
Most nights, yes.
How do you feel before sleeping?
Relaxed and peaceful.
Who usually cleans the house?
We all share the cleaning work.
How often do you sweep the floor?
I sweep the floor every day.
When do you usually mop the floor?
I mop the floor in the morning.
Do you clean the house daily or weekly?
Basic cleaning is daily.
What tools do you use for cleaning?
A broom, mop, and bucket.
Do you clean the rooms one by one?
Yes, it makes cleaning easier.
Who cleans the kitchen floor?
I usually clean the kitchen.
Do you use floor cleaner while mopping?
Yes, it keeps the floor fresh.
How long does cleaning take?
About 1 hour.
Do you clean under the furniture?
Yes, once or twice a week.
Do children help with cleaning?
Yes, they help with small tasks.
Do you clean the bathroom daily?
No, every 2 days.
Do you dust furniture regularly?
Yes, to keep it clean.
Do you wear gloves while cleaning?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you listen to music while cleaning?
Yes, it makes cleaning enjoyable.
Do you clean windows often?
About once a week.
How do you feel after cleaning?
Satisfied and relaxed.
Do you prefer morning or evening cleaning?
Morning cleaning.
Is cleaning tiring?
A little, but it feels good.
Why is cleaning important?
It keeps the home healthy.
Who usually cooks at home?
We all take turns cooking.
What meals do you prepare daily?
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Do you cook fresh food every day?
Yes, we prefer fresh meals.
What do you usually cook for breakfast?
Eggs, toast, or oatmeal.
Do you follow a recipe while cooking?
Sometimes, especially for new dishes.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking a lot.
How long does cooking take?
About 1 hour.
Do you prepare meals in advance?
Yes, sometimes for busy days.
Who helps you in the kitchen?
Family members help me.
Do you keep the kitchen clean while cooking?
Yes, I clean as I go.
Who washes the dishes after meals?
We share dishwashing duties.
Do you wash dishes by hand or machine?
Mostly by hand.
Do you use warm water for washing dishes?
Yes, it cleans better.
Do you dry dishes after washing?
Yes, before storing them.
Do you clean the stove after cooking?
Yes, every time.
Do you separate wet and dry waste?
Yes, we do.
Do you pack leftover food?
Yes, and store it in the fridge.
Do you like trying new recipes?
Yes, I love experimenting.
Is the kitchen busy during mealtime?
Yes, very busy.
How do you feel after finishing kitchen work?
Tired, but satisfied.
How often do you wash clothes?
I wash clothes twice a week.
Do you separate clothes before washing?
Yes, by color and fabric.
Do you wash clothes by hand or machine?
Mostly by machine.
What detergent do you use?
A mild liquid detergent.
Do you check pockets before washing?
Yes, always.
Do you wash white and colored clothes together?
No, I wash them separately.
How long does a wash cycle take?
About 40 minutes.
Do you dry clothes in the sun?
Yes, whenever possible.
Do you use a dryer?
Sometimes during rainy days.
Who folds the clothes after drying?
I usually fold them.
Do you iron clothes every day?
No, only when needed.
What clothes need ironing most?
Shirts and formal pants.
Do you check the iron temperature?
Yes, for different fabrics.
Do you iron clothes while slightly damp?
Yes, it's easier.
Where do you iron clothes?
On an ironing board.
Do you hang clothes after ironing?
Yes, to avoid wrinkles.
Do you mend clothes if needed?
Yes, small repairs at home.
Do children help with laundry?
Yes, they help fold clothes.
Is laundry work tiring?
A little, but manageable.
Why is proper clothes care important?
It keeps clothes neat and long-lasting.
How are chores divided in your home?
We divide chores among all family members.
Who decides the household responsibilities?
We decide together.
Do children have household duties?
Yes, age-appropriate tasks.
What chores do you usually do?
Cleaning and cooking.
Does everyone follow the chore schedule?
Most of the time, yes.
Do you help each other with work?
Yes, teamwork is important.
What happens if someone is busy?
Others step in to help.
Do you remind each other about chores?
Yes, politely.
Do you argue about responsibilities?
Rarely, we communicate.
Is helping at home important?
Yes, it builds responsibility.
Do you appreciate each other's help?
Yes, we say thank you.
Are chores fixed or flexible?
They're flexible.
Do you make a chore list?
Yes, sometimes.
Who handles grocery shopping?
We do it together.
Do you help elderly family members?
Yes, whenever needed.
Do you share weekend chores?
Yes, weekends are shared.
Do you teach kids responsibility at home?
Yes, through small tasks.
How do you resolve chore conflicts?
By talking calmly.
Does sharing work reduce stress?
Yes, a lot.
How do you feel about teamwork at home?
It makes home life better.
Something is broken. What should we do?
Let's check if we can fix it ourselves.
Can you fix the leaking tap?
I'll try tightening it first.
Do you know basic home repairs?
Yes, small repairs.
When do you call a repair person?
When the problem is serious.
Who do you call for electrical issues?
A licensed electrician.
How do you find a repair person?
Through referrals or online.
Do you check repair costs in advance?
Yes, I ask for an estimate.
Can you fix the door lock?
I'll need proper tools.
How long will the repair take?
About 1 hour.
Is the repair urgent?
Yes, it needs immediate attention.
Do you supervise repair work?
Yes, to ensure quality.
Do you keep repair tools at home?
Yes, basic tools.
Who pays for the repair?
The homeowner usually pays.
Do you repair appliances yourself?
Only small issues.
What if the repair doesn't work?
We call a professional.
Do you maintain appliances regularly?
Yes, to avoid breakdowns.
Do you schedule annual maintenance?
Yes, for major systems.
Do you keep repair receipts?
Yes, for records.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax and spend time with family.
Do you wake up late on weekends?
Yes, a little later than weekdays.
Do you make special meals on weekends?
Yes, we cook something special.
Do you watch movies at home on weekends?
Yes, family movie night.
Do you plan activities in advance?
Sometimes.
Do you go out or stay at home?
Mostly stay at home,
What family activities do you enjoy?
playing games and talking.
Do you clean the house on weekends?
Yes, deep cleaning.
Do you invite friends or relatives?
Occasionally.
Do children enjoy weekends at home?
Yes, very much.
Do you read books on weekends?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
Do you take afternoon naps?
Yes, on weekends.
Do you plan the coming week?
Yes, on Sunday.
Do you do hobbies on weekends?
Yes, like gardening.
Do you limit screen time on weekends?
Yes, we try.
Do you cook together as a family?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you listen to music on weekends?
Yes, to relax.
Do you feel refreshed after weekends?
Yes, ready for the week.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
Spending quality time together.
Why are weekends important?
For rest and bonding.
We have guests coming today. Are you ready?
Yes, everything is prepared.
What should we do before guests arrive?
Clean the house and prepare snacks.
How do you welcome guests at home?
With a smile and greetings.
Do you offer something to drink first?
Yes, water, tea, or coffee.
Where should guests sit?
In the living room.
Do you introduce guests to family members?
Yes, politely.
Do you prepare special food for guests?
Yes, homemade dishes.
Do you talk politely with guests?
Of course.
Do you give guests privacy?
Yes, we respect their comfort.
How long do guests usually stay?
A few hours.
Do children behave well when guests come?
Yes, they're taught manners.
Do you entertain guests with stories or games?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you ask guests if they're comfortable?
Yes, often.
Do you serve dinner to guests?
Yes, if they stay late.
How do you say goodbye to guests?
Politely and warmly.
Do you help guests with directions?
Yes, if needed.
Do guests appreciate good hosting?
Yes, they usually do.
Do you clean after guests leave?
Yes, right after.
Is hosting guests enjoyable?
Yes, very much.
Why is hospitality important?
It shows respect and care.
Do you have rules at home?
Yes, every home needs rules.
Why are home rules important?
They maintain order and discipline.
What is one common rule at your home?
Everyone cleans up after themselves.
Are children required to follow rules?
Yes, rules apply to everyone.
What happens if someone breaks a rule?
We discuss it calmly.
Do you have a fixed bedtime rule?
Yes, especially for children.
Is screen time limited at home?
Yes, it is controlled.
Do you encourage discipline gently?
Yes, with understanding.
Who sets the home rules?
Parents, with family input.
Are chores part of home discipline?
Yes, they teach responsibility.
Do children have daily duties?
Yes, small tasks.
Are guests expected to follow rules?
Basic house rules, yes.
Do you revise rules sometimes?
Yes, as needed.
Is punctuality important at home?
Yes, for meals and bedtime.
Do you encourage honesty at home?
Yes, always.
How do you teach responsibility?
Through daily routines.
Do you praise good behavior?
Yes, appreciation matters.
Do rules help family bonding?
Yes, they create harmony.
Do you talk openly about rules?
Yes, communication is key.
How do rules make home better?
They create peace and respect.